Do you want to know what is freelancing and how to become a successful freelancer? Freelancing is a contract-based profession. A freelancer uses his skills to provide services to a number of clients. Freelancers are not hired by a company as employees. A freelancer is free to work for any client. What are online freelancing markets? The most widely used platform for freelancers is Fiverr. Fiverr provides you with a platform where you can offer your services to clients. All you need is to have the skill to offer and create a gig. Other platforms include Upwork.com, Guru.com, Freelancer.com, PeoplePerHour.com, and many more. You can simply Google what the freelancer markets are. What is important in freelancing for success? The most important is your communication skill. That includes both writing and speaking. You should focus only on one area and master that skill exceptionally well. For more information and knowledge, please subscribe to our channel. Keep visiting our websites and follow us on social media. Thank you for watching this video.